Igbo versus Polish etiquette, the mistake I made. Well, something that Igbo and Polish people have in common is the belief to treat others with respect and politeness. So in Poland, when you attend an event, it's perfectly acceptable to greet everybody together. And I've learned recently that in Igbo culture, it's not necessarily like that. Me and my husband attended an event recently, and well, I greeted everybody collectively, as I always do. And then my husband went to talk to the ladies, and then he says, "Come here and say hello." And I was really confused, and I said, "Well, but I already greeted everybody." He's like, "No, you didn't." And then the Igbo ladies told me that in Igbo culture, you have to come and greet everybody individually and introduce yourself, if you never met the person before. Well, and I have to say, I felt pretty embarrassed, and then I said, well, I apologize, ladies, I didn't know. Looks like I've just learned my lesson, and I promise that next time I will do better. And well, this is exactly what we can do in such a situation. Learn a lesson and do better next time. Have you ever committed any intercultural crime? Leave us a comment.